how you can make your first $10,000 in a month. That's basically $333 in profit on Clickbank in a day, right? So as you watch this video, one of the biggest mistakes that most of the people, especially newbies, who buy courses on Clickbank from different millionaire gurus, they don't teach you the real secrets, which is actually knowing psychology of your audience and market. So the bigger mistakes that not enable you to make $10,000 or $30,000 per month is that you are using curiosity-based ad copy and images. So I know lots of affiliates are saying, okay, use weird images, but it doesn't work. What you have to understand is there must be buyer's intent. What do I mean by that? When you go on Google, run pay-per-click ads, Facebook ads, social media ads, you have to know that in order to get a sale, you need to get people into the problem state, and from the problem state into the solution state, right? So if you want to know more about this, watch my other videos on YouTube. You can reach me out under this video. Gonna be links to my social media, Instagram, WhatsApp, email, Facebook. You can reach out and I will personally help you to get results.